I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Hyundai Ioniq 9. So that's the system. Just switch that on. The sat nav, radio, the battery information. We'll go to setup. AV, navigation, sound, buttons, blue link, phone connections. Click phone connections, no device paired. So what I'm going to do is go here. I'm going to go to Bluetooth, watch out at the bottom, and then I'll click add new. Vehicle name Ioniq 9. Search for the vehicle name in your mobile device. Ioniq 9's come up, Ioniq 9. Click on that. It's thinking about it. Does the passkey match? Yep, pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. And that's it. Connect to CarPlay, which is a massive yes. So it's got Bluetooth Apple CarPlay as well. Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, the newly added phone, supports Apple CarPlay. Do you want it? Yes. Apple CarPlay is the best thing since sliced bread. That's it. There's your CarPlay up. That's all you need. From now on, whatever you need to do, you can do by just talking to the car. Let's see if I can. There's voice activation there. So if I press this for 2 seconds, it should allow me to give voice prompts. Call Barry.
Calling Barry, iPhone.
There you go. That's calling me, but obviously it's my phone and it's engaged. So you make a telephone call like so. Text Barry.
What would you like to say to Barry?
I'm just driving this Ioniq 9 from Just Motor Group. It's absolutely fantastic.
It says, I'm just driving this Ioniq 9 from Just Motor Group. It's absolutely fantastic. Send it.
Yes, please. Not foolproof, but good enough. Now, what you will see, there you go. You've got a message there. Message has come up on the phone. Let's see. Shows me on the phone, but of course, you can't touch your phone while you're driving. So, again, read texts.
Barry said I'm just driving this Ioniq 9 from Just Motor Group. It's absolutely fantastic. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
Those are all your messages.
Now, you can Audible. If you like good books, Michael Connolly, brilliant.
Who's the prosecutor? Shay Larkin. She's younger than me.
You want to play music? Play Home Sweet Home by The Favours.
Home Sweet Home by The Favours. Phineas and Ash, now playing on Apple Music.
And it all comes back, it all comes back.
That plays one track. Shuffle music.
Playing all songs from Apple Music.
Going to a party.
Both speakers in this, absolutely fantastic. Navigation, again, you're driving along the road, you need to go somewhere. Navigate to Manchester Airport.
Getting directions to Manchester Airport.
Now, you press the button there to go. If you don't press anything, it assumes, since you've asked to go to Manchester Airport, you actually want to go. So it's just taking me there now.